Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Scubapro SK21 Knife. So this is a decent sized dive knife. We've got sort of marine grade stainless steel. The way they polished it as well just means it's going to sort of help with any corrosion resistance. Comes in a sheath, as you can see, with two adjustable leg straps. We'll take a look at that later. Removing the knife from the sheath, it's very secure, that's not going anywhere. You've got two methods of holding that knife in position. The first one is a button, and then the second is a secondary lock. So pushing the button will allow it to go so far, and then it just catches on these little notches there. So you have to physically lift the knife away from your leg and then pull it free. So as you can see, it's pre-greased. There's a thin layer of grease over the top of it. It's always good to keep stainless steel knives a little bit greased. It just helps prevent the salt water from getting to the metal. The blade itself, you've got a long straight cutting edge up to a point, and then along the top you have a serrated cutting edge and a line hook. So this is for sort of smaller items like fishing line, very quick and efficient to cut through those. The long cutting edge for cutting whatever you need to, and for thicker items you've got that serrated cutting edge. Handle itself is made out of two different materials. So the black material is a bit rubbery, so that's going to give you a decent amount of grip. Even if you're wearing sort of gloves, you're going to be able to sort of get a decent grip of this knife, and more sort of styling down at the bottom. So it really gives you a good handy grip and a real secure grip as well. Down at the bottom, at the pommel you can actually remove. So for cleaning the knife, you can unscrew this and put that to one side, and then that's a little mold just sort of removes it. So you can really get in there. You can sort of clean the blade, make sure that it's nice and dry. You get all the salt water out, get rid of any salt crystals that might build up. It also comes with a small lanyard, so very handy just to keep hold of it. It's a decent dive knife, 304 stainless steel, as you can see there. So the sheath itself, pushing it in, locks it in position, so that's not going to go anywhere. You've got the two leg straps. They're adjustable. You have the pinch clip as well. So once they're adjusted, you can just unclip it and then clip it back on wherever you want it on your leg. So a decent dive knife, stainless steel, 304 stainless steel is marine grade, so that's corrosion resistant. This is the Scubapro SK21 knife. Thanks for watching and safe diving.